Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be washing dry bitter leaf from Ndole. You know how when you stay abroad for so long, Ndole becomes bitter in your mouth, or the same bitter leaf that we eat normally in Cameroon or in Africa becomes too bitter for us. Today I'm going to give you or show you a secret of how to make it less bitter. Put your dry bitter leaf in a pot and add some water. Add a tiny bit of limestone. You could put baking soda if you don't have limestone, and then boil. Hi, if you're new around here, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes. When the bitter leaf has cooked for about 5 to 10 minutes, I then take it out and then I wash it the same way we wash bitter leaf back home. Hi guys, I have another video on how to make Ndole. Don't forget to go back to my channel and watch that one. That is baby spinach. When I'm done washing the bitter leaf first round, I'm going to cut up some baby spinach and add to it. Add some water to it and we are going to boil again for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to take it out and wash it again, and this time trying to mix the bitter leaf and the spinach together. The spinach is going to change the color of the bitter leaf and make it a little greener than it would have been if we only use the dried bitter leaf, and it's going to make it less bitter also. I also have a Ndole video which I made with the same bitter leaf, so don't forget to go ahead and check that video out. I promise you that Ndole was something else. You want to try that. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget also like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, because I still have a lot of tips and tricks for our African meals you need to know. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. And also don't forget to check out the Ndole video.